Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, and today I'm going to show you how I set up my October daily journal in my bullet journal. I am using some leftover paint from a project my daughter did to add some little swatches of paint. I just really loved this color as a background for where I will stamp the dates. So I'm just going through the journal and adding some little color swatches. This is acrylic paint and a flat paintbrush. I'll just flip through really quickly and show you the rest of the pages I have for October. Those are some Sticky Club stickers and some hand lettering. That's our menu plan. I've got daily tasks, some cleaning projects. These are my task list and content plan. I just keep things super simple for my bullet journal portion, and then the rest of the spreads are my journals. So that's some hand-carved stamps I'm planning to use. Washi tape, I don't think I ended up using that. And then these are from Allie Edwards. Stamps are from Feed Your Craft. I just grabbed a whole bunch of things I thought might be fun to use, as well as this cute woodland paper pack that I got on clearance, and the antiquarian sticker book. I just kind of always keep this handy because I can almost always find something to use in here. Not sure if I'll use those skeletons. It is October, but I'm not a huge fan of scary stuff. So I'm just going to get started stamping and adding dates with black ink over the top of those acrylic paint swatches that I put down, and they have now dried. You might notice I'm a little bit new to these kind of stamps, so I just am finishing up the dates here. I am new to stamping, so if you have tips for how to make my stamps look better, I would appreciate it. You'll see that's a problem throughout these spreads, but I am getting better, learning as I go. So I've now got dates for every day of October, and I will go through and add some embellishments and some cute things to kind of decorate the days. These are some hand-carved stamps that I made, and I'm going to be combining some fallish colors just to make these leaves look October-ish, and just adding them here and there throughout the spreads. I really like to have a few basic things down and cohesive through the month, and then I add stickers and doodles and things as I go. It really helps me to have this all set up ahead of time, because I think in my mind I already have the dates there, so I might as well just take a minute or two and write down a few things for the day. It helps me be more consistent with journaling if it's already set up, because I don't want to waste what I already spent time doing. So that's a little trick that might work if you are struggling to consistently journal. Another thing is, don't expect yourself to use up an entire page every day. You can see that I do 2 pages per day, and that is plenty. Every once in a while I'll feel like I need to add more, and so I'll add another journal card or something, but usually that's enough space for my thoughts and impressions. And oops, dropped it. That's where that stamp ended up since I dropped it. And then I'm just adding some tape runner to help my hand-carved stamps stay in place. So, just going back through the days, adding this other stamp that I made in some fallish colors. I'm really liking this color scheme with the orange and yellows, and then that kind of minty green for the dates. So now I'll be adding just a few stickers. This is a cute set. I think it's a Happy Planner set with a little cozy chair and some books. My hands got really dirty. I found I was smearing the pages with ink, so needed to take care of that. And then I'm going to find some places to add these cute little blocks from the fall paper pack that I have. Alright, so here I'm just going to add a stamp. This is from Allie Edwards' October kit. It says October Memories, and I'll add that to this first spread of my journaling section, and then each day I like to just do a little highlight or a doodle or something kind of representing the month there. So I'm going to add a little more of this coppery brown color to add a little depth to this. And then, of course, as you can see, I mess up the stamp. Dang it. So, still working on that, like I said. But I'm going to now go back through and add this autumn stamp. It's a heart with the word autumn in it on a couple of pages. I like to arrange things in little clusters, and then I'll add journaling kind of in and around those areas. So if you're interested in seeing a flip through at the end of the month, I would love to know. Leave a comment below and let me know if you want to see what it looks like after all the journaling is done. So I thought I remembered a sticker I wanted to put on the actual day of Halloween. That's what I'm looking for here, but I couldn't find it, so I might have to go back and look again. This one just says Hello October, so I added that to the first. I thought that was kind of cute. Looking again, because I swear there was one there I wanted to use, but oh well, moving on. I'll do that when I'm not recording. So I somehow lost the last video I recorded yesterday showing you how this ended up. So I'm going to flip through here and just show you the finished product. These are all set up and ready for journaling for October. And pretty much the rest of the space will be journaling, plus I might add in a few stickers here and there. Alpha stickers, as well as little doodles representing what happened during that day. So You can find more of this at alivelyhope.com, and I would love to hear from you.